Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I know it took me a while to post another video. It's just that I took the time to really rest and gawin ang mga dapat kong gawin regarding my medical condition. And of course, as promised, ito na nga po yung result ng aking PET scan na ginawa recently. By the way, for those of you who are new here, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Pia Besmonte, and I'm a stage 4 breast cancer warrior with metastasis on my lungs, liver, bones, and lymph nodes. Ayan, so i-discuss ko na sa inyo kung ano yung update as promised sa aking mga followers na nagme-message and nagtatanong kung ano na ba ang lagay ko. Alright, now the past month ay again, hindi na nga ako nakapagtrabaho because my doctor said that I'm not fit to work. Even if I do work from home, hindi pwede. So, wala akong fit to work at it's been more than a month. I believe more than a month na hindi na ako nakakapasok. And that will still continue because of the recent update nga sa aking condition. Now, June 23rd, nagpa-PET scan ako ulit sa iScan, Marikina. For those of you who are also interested na maggawa ng mga laboratory or diagnostic test nyo with iScan near Marikina area or in Marikina, message nyo lang po sila sa kanilang page or meron silang Viber. Usually naman, kapag katapos po ng scan, ibibigay na nila sa iyo yung image, which this one. Ayan. So, makikita mo na dyan in comparison with my previous scan. Nakita ko na nga kung gaano ang movement, or kumalat ba or lumaki. Now, few days ago, I received my result or the interpretation, and of course, dahil sa malalalim na medical terms, hindi ko naman mai-interpret lahat. So, I just waited for my check-up para ang doktor na mismo magsabi sa akin kung ano na ba talaga ang aking lagay. There's good news and there's bad news, of course. Umpisa na natin muna sa good news. Well, the good news is hindi siya kumalat sa aking brain. Hindi pa siya umakyat sa brain, and I'm really praying na hindi talaga siya umakyat sa brain. Just like what my last video, pinagdasal ko talaga, and of course with the help of my prayer warriors na hindi nga siya umakyat sa brain. Okay, now the bad part is yung aking bukol sa lungs or yung kalat sa lungs, lumaki siya ng husto, and hindi ko inaasahan na ganun ang magiging kalaki siya. My doctor recommended for me to undergo a weekly treatment instead of every 3 weeks. Kasi nga, sabi niya, since lumaki ang bukol ko sa lungs, kailangan baguhin ang protocol. So, yun ang isa sa mga magiging challenge sa akin kasi well, I am currently employed, and I need to stop muna. So, I need to file for a leave of absence, indefinite, kasi sabi ng doktor, hindi talaga ako pwede muna mag-work. Mangyayari kasi is 3 times a week ako magiging nasa hospital. One is for my checkup, one is for the treatment, and one is for the laboratory test. Para sa another checkup ko, yun ang titingnan ng doktor, how my body is responding to the treatment. Another change is ano ba yun isa? Ayun, yung chemotherapy ko, hindi na siya oral. Yun nga yung reason kung bakit magiging weekly na siya kasi papadaanin na siya sa suwero. So, ayun, it's gonna be weekly. Basta 3 weeks siya consecutive, tapos 1 week na pahinga, another 3 weeks consecutive. I'm not sure how it's gonna be monitored, or will I be asked for another PET scan, which is, naku, sobrang medyo mabigat. By the way, for those of you who are asking yung kung how much yung PET scan sa eye scan, the regular price is 55,000. Pero kapag ikaw ay senior citizen or PWD, may discount ka, it's gonna be 45,000. So, 10,000 is 10,000 less pa rin. So, malaking tipid na rin yun. Yun nga lang, if it's gonna be like last year, 3 times akong pinet scan. So, medyo mabigat yun. I'm sure the doctor will ask for another scan para nga syempre makita yung improvement, kung nag-i-improve man. So that if there's a need to change the protocol, at least mapapalitan. So this is still gonna be a long journey, and I am just hoping na yung treatment ay makatulong at mag-respond ang body ko sa bagong treatment protocol and mag-improve so that I will be able to go back to work. Thank you so much again for all my prayer warriors, dun sa mga nagme-message sa akin sa messenger, yung mga nagpaabot ng kanilang help, or yung mga nagpapadala sa akin ng anything to make the journey easier. Doon sa mga nangangamusta, maraming salamat po sa mga tumutulong. Maraming salamat po. Please know that I really, or we as a family really appreciate yung mga gestures na yon. Thank you so much, because kinakasangkapan kayo ni God para maging madali para sa amin ang journey na to. Thank you so much, and please continue to pray for my upcoming treatment. Kung maisama niyo ako sa prayers niyo, maraming salamat. And also for those who are going through the same journey, sana po ay maging magaan din po para sa inyo ang lahat. And just make sure that yung pananampalataya nyo ay nakakapit sa Diyos para talagang maging mas madali para sa inyo pagdaanan ang mga kailangan pagdaanan. And this is just a challenge for us warriors. And that's about it for today. If you're new to my channel at hindi ka pa subscriber, please subscribe now and click that notification bell para updated ka whenever I upload new videos. Please don't forget to share this with someone na sa tingin nyo nangangailangan ng video na to. Thank you so much again, and until my next one. Bye!